In today's video, you will learn how to create a Canva account. To begin the account creation process, search for Canva and access the official Canva platform. Once the homepage loads, you will see options related to signing in or creating a new account. Look for the Sign Up option to continue to the registration page where the account setup process begins. On the Sign Up page, Canva gives you multiple ways to create your account. You can use a Google account, a Facebook account, an email address, or other available login methods, depending on your preference. This flexibility makes it easier for users to choose the method that feels most convenient and familiar. If you decide to continue using another method, you may see additional options appear on the screen. These can include using a mobile number, a Microsoft account, an Apple account, or other supported login services. Canva supports different account providers to make the sign-up process accessible for a wide range of users across different devices and platforms. For this example, the account is being created using a Google account. After selecting Google, you will be shown the available Google accounts currently connected to your device or browser. Choose the account you want to use for Canva and continue through the authorization process. Once selected, Canva will begin setting up your account automatically. After a brief loading period, the account creation process should finish, and your Canva dashboard will become available. At this point, your account has officially been created, and you can begin exploring the platform and its design tools. During the setup process, Canva may also display an option to begin a free trial for additional premium features. If you do not want to start a paid plan, you can close that prompt and continue using the free version of Canva. The free version still includes many templates, design tools, and editing features that are useful for personal projects, business graphic schoolwork, and social media content. Once inside the dashboard, you will notice that Canva organizes tools, templates, and projects in a very clean and beginner-friendly way. This makes it easier to start creating designs, even if you have little or no prior design experience. Over time, you can explore more templates, editing tools, and customization features depending on the type of content you want to create. That is the complete process for creating a Canva account. After the setup is finished, you can begin designing immediately and start using the platform for graphics, presentations, videos, and many other creative projects.